Good morning, I am Susan Thompson, HR Manager. Her. Good morning, I am Nishakan and I am applying for a customer service position. Here is a copy of my resume. Please have a seat, Nishakan. Thank you. Will do you graduate? I graduated in December and I want to start work as soon as possible. Okay, will do you have any experience? Yes, I work as a freelancer. My job is about customer service position. Why do you want to work here? Because I love customer service and want to learn new experience. Good. What? How can you work? I can work part-time on Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Great. Do you have any question for me? No, I don't think so, but I like your company and I would really like to work here. Well, I will call you tomorrow if you get the job. Okay, I really hope you call me. It was too nice meeting you. Thank you for coming today. It was nice meeting you too.